the nightcap. 2 strong trees. We're gonna unpack the straps, unravel. Each side of the strap has loops, fold in half. On the tree, make yourself a loop, slip through, and hang. We have additional loops in here so you can lock down. Repeat for the other side. Slide these both ends through. We have string. You have your 2 poles that are going to go on each end. One on this side, one on this side. The string will be one on each side. No need to throw the bag to the side. Just pull it out. It acts as your holder. Work on one side. You have your climber's hook. Hook on. If your tree is too small, take off and find another tree that is suitable. Hook on and adjust your hammock with your poles. Carefully look for the opening. Slide through on each side and use the snap to lock into place once all the way in. To prevent swinging, you take the hook, bring it through, unravel, and tie down. We want to swing, so we're not going to tie down. On the opposite side, we do the same thing. We look for the opening with the rubber tip, end to end, slips through. We're tying down the straps for the net. And what we're doing is we're going up high on the tree, the loops and placing on. Now we're going into the hammock. In here, I have an area that I can place items. I'm going to now sit in the hammock. And I'm now going to close down. Place. I can place my hat in and I'm bug free. This is your hammock. Holds about 200+ pounds or more. As you can see, arms spread out nice and wide. And easy to set up, easy to take down. I have here is a little roll-up, little hook system on the outside that if I wanted this open, I simply open up and I can lock down with the loop system. Your nightcat hammock. Easy to take apart in a matter of a couple of minutes. Tie it down on a tree, put it anywhere you want. It's windproof, wind resistant, and you could take it to the beach, put it on 2 trees. Simple to hang up, adjustable strap, and more. It's got highlight green reflective straps, so it reflects at nighttime. Put a flashlight to see it. It all fits into the hammock's little pouch on the side. Simply look for the pouch in the center. Grab both ends and wrap. and tuck in. Easy to set up, easy to take up down. Easy to carry, easy to bring wherever you want. Your nightcap portable tent. Enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for in a pop-up tent that protects you from the outdoor environment. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.